Does YouTube TV have Zeus Network? No, YouTube TV does not include Zeus Network in its channel lineup. Zeus Network is an independent streaming platform that focuses on original, subscription-based content, primarily reality shows and entertainment series. How to access Zeus Network. If you're interested in watching Zeus Network content, you'll need to subscribe directly to their streaming service. 1. Subscription details, cost, $5.99 per month or $59.99 per year. Access. Available as a standalone app or website. 2. Supported devices. Smart TVs, streaming devices, Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, smartphones, tablets, and web browsers. Conclusion. While YouTube TV offers a wide range of live TV channels and entertainment options, Zeus Network requires a separate subscription to access its exclusive content. If you're a fan of Zeus Network shows, subscribing directly to their service is the best option.